Unipipe pipes and fittings are assembled correctly in just a few simple steps. If you need to shorten the pipe, remember to deburr the internal and external surfaces after cutting to avoid damaging the O-ring in the fittings. Be sure not to leave any metal scraps or shavings inside the pipe. Mark the pipe so you know it's completely seated in the fitting. To make assembly a bit easier, you can lubricate the pipe with soap and water. When inserting the pipe into the fitting, check the horizontal alignment so the function of the clamp ring in the fitting is not compromised. Complete the tightening of the nut using a wrench. Stop at approximately a quarter of a turn past hand tight, or as soon as the pipe starts to turn. By gradually putting the system under pressure, the clamp ring tightens further and cuts into the surface of the pipe. This ensures the fitting cannot come off. The system will be safe and secure for many years to come. Air drops are fast and easy to add to the Unipipe system. The quickest and most functional way is to start from the valve on the wall-mounted outlet. Simply loosen the nut and insert the pipe. Then loosen the nut on the branch and insert the pipe. By removing the back of the branch, you can easily put it on the pipe and decide exactly where the correct location needs to be. Once it's in the desired location, reassemble the fitting and tighten the bolt. Remove the access plug and drill the pipe, with a hole of similar diameter to the hole in the branch. Before replacing the access plug, remember to remove any metal shavings that might have been left behind from a drill bit. Thanks to the unique design of the Unipipe branch, any condensate is prevented from dropping down to your point of use. Unipipe fittings are designed as a modular system that allows easy connection of multiple accessories. To transition to a smaller pipe diameter, simply remove the nut, remove the clamp ring, and tighten the reducer fitting in place. To transform it into a male or female adapter, simply remove the nut, remove the clamp ring, and tighten the threaded adapter in place. To create a plug, loosen the nut, remove the clamp ring, insert the fitting plug, and tighten the nut back on. The Unipipe fitting plug comes standard with a drain valve. Control instruments can be connected to the fitting plug by removing the drain valve. Use of the Unipipe special flange reduces the space and number of components needed to connect pipe sizes 90 mm and larger. By simply removing the unneeded components and adding the special flange, you can connect two fittings together by inserting a butterfly valve, and you can fit the assembly into a small space. If you need to connect one of our fittings to a compressor, dryer, receiver, or some other application, you can use the special flange to save a great deal of space. Attach the flange adapter to the elbow, insert the gasket, tighten the bolts, and you are ensured of a perfectly tight seal. By utilizing the Unipipe special flange, you will reduce the space needed between the flange and the application. Unipipe: safety, reliability, and performance.